Welcome to the Easley Library webpage. Please feel free to pause this video at any time to follow along on your own computer. Our main homepage gives you easy access to the three most important parts of our library website. Listed in red in the middle of the page, you can choose to visit our catalog to look for books, our database page to find articles, or our research guides to help with tips to write your paper. Today, we are going to look for articles by clicking on the red Find Articles link. Our database section is divided into subjects in order to be most helpful. If you're interested in a particular subject, just click on that link and you'll be transported to the most helpful databases for that subject. Today, we're going to visit the education area and look at our Academic Search Complete database. But all databases have certain things in common. You can choose types of searches, you can choose how to limit your searches, such as for dates that are appropriate, languages that are appropriate, and you can choose to limit your searches to scholarly and peer-reviewed, which is what your professors will most likely want you to use. You will also have a variety of tools available to help you in each of these databases. In our Education section, we're going to pick Academic Search Complete. You will find that this particular database is available in most of our subject areas. This is because Academic Search Complete covers a wide variety of topics. If you are accessing the computer at home, you will need to log in to the databases. Use your personal username, which is the first part of your Bluefield College email address without the @bluefield.edu, and your password. If you have any trouble with your password, it is probably going to be necessary to change your password. You can find out how to do this on our troubleshooting PowerPoint, or you can contact the IST department for help. Once you have logged in and you are on the Academic Search Complete database, please notice that it has an EBSCO circle on the top left-hand side. All of the EBSCO databases show this EBSCO host circle. Once you are familiar with Academic Search Complete, you'll find that all of the EBSCO databases look very comfortable and familiar because they look very similar to this screen. In the top left-hand corner, place a subject that you're interested in the search box. You will want to limit your search to a full text and usually to the scholarly peer-reviewed articles. You may also want to limit your text to languages that you can understand, and you may want to limit by date as well. The words and, or, and not are incredibly important when looking for articles. This particular search is using the word and. It will pull up any articles that use both of your search terms. For instance, this search only pulled up 2 particular articles because they were looking for both Rowling and Tolkien. This search uses the word or. It will search for all of the articles that involved Rowling or Tolkien. There are 295 results on this search. This search uses the word not. It limited to all articles that talked about Rowling without taking anything about Tolkien. There are only 148 results in this particular search. Once you've found an article that you like, click on the link and it will take you to the abstract page. This gives you a variety of information such as clickable search terms, subject terms, and an article or a paragraph about your particular article. If you click on the PDF full text link on the left-hand side of the page, you will be taken into your particular article. It may also be available in HTML. This particular article is available only in PDF. On the right-hand side of your page, you'll notice that there are several tools that you can use. You can email your article to yourself, you can print your article off, you can save your article for search at a later date by putting it into the EBSCO folder. If you choose to email it to yourself, you can tell it that you would like to know a particular citation format, and it will actually email the citation along with your article. Your email will arrive from ephost@epnet.com. If you don't find it in your regular email box within a reasonable time, look in your junk mail folder just in case it has appeared there. Final tips. Don't get caught up in one particular search term. Learn to use a thesaurus. Some of the databases actually have a thesaurus as part of their tools that you can use to help you. Use the different words that mean the same thing. The blue links are clickable. Anything that you find in an article abstract can be clicked on. If you find a subject that works for you, click on that subject link and see if you can find other articles that will be helpful. Congratulations, you have finished your first search. Pat yourself on the back and then do it again. Practice makes perfect.